All right, so toward the ends of Basic Navigation 2, they're going to introduce you to this program called the Smart Block. And basically, this is going to save you a lot of time going forward. And if you can uh, start to figure out how to use it, everything we do from now on will be a lot faster. So um, when we go to do mission 11 here, it is basically what they're showing you is how to um, make your robot do this thing called a call right turn. So it's going to do this program every time. This was our right turn, pretty much our exact right turn from before. So if you remember back in Basic Navigation 1, when we started figuring out how to do a right turn, it was drive power 15, 1,750 milliseconds, and steering at 100. That was our right turn. So now there's actually a block in this section called call right turn, which is going to make our robot do the right turn that we have every time. So going forward, we can actually make those blocks. And I'm going to show you how to do that in the next activity, which I'll go over with you. And once you're able to make them, you can make them for anything that you are going to reuse. Um, so in this case, this is showing you how to make adjustments here. Let's move on to a different one where I can show you further along where I can show you how we can use this again. So when you go to the next activity, hold on, I'm going to go back to object detection. We can actually use the Smart Block tool to make all of our turns for us at the same time. So we don't have to do this over and over again. So you can see that here I actually have three. I've actually created three. So how we do it is you click on this button here that says this plus sign here that says Smart Blocks, and you click on New Smart Block, and you name it whatever you need to name it. Okay, and in right turn 2, then I put my motor variable. I click on the gear wheel here, and I can add my steering and duration. I go to data, and I can pull these things out here. And now I'll have my right turn block. So again, 15 power, the duration was 1,750 seconds, and the steering was 100. And that's how we make our right turn block. So now every time I want to use that, I can actually go to Smart Blocks and just pull this one out anytime I need it. And if I go to another activity, so let's say go to previous activity where it hasn't already been there. Now if I want to take that out, I can click on the Smart Blocks button, and I can click on right turn 2 and import. And now when I click on the Smart Blocks button down here on the left-hand side, it will be there for you guys to use. So Smart Blocks will be really, really useful. You're going to get a lot of, you're going to save a lot of time using them, not having to rewrite programs that you actually figured out how to do already. It will save you a ton of time with your turns and some of your your sensor buttons. Like this one's the Until touch buttons. You go forward until it's pressed, and then you move on. So these are going to make it much, much easier for you to move through these challenges in a time-efficient manner and save you a lot of time and keep you from having to rewrite the program that you've already done a bunch of times in a row.